This, my friends, is Landskrona Golf Club. Beautifully located right on the coast, directly facing Ven, the island resting between Sweden and Denmark in the middle of the Öresund Strait. It's hard to find a more spectacular view from a golf course. The club has approximately 2,300 members and is open all year round. System House Solutions has had the privilege of delivering the Integra security system to this fantastic facility, together with our partner Prenad in Landskrona, who handled installation and commissioning. 1,200 of the members use personal tags to access their lockers via Integra Minireaders. Staff members use special tags with access rights to machine halls and other areas where both a tag and a PIN code are required to confirm identity. The facility also features a large gym. Members with an annual gym pass have access via their tags, all year round. A fun detail is that members can use their tags to turn on lighting and infrared heaters at the driving range during winter. This saves energy compared to the past when anyone could activate the lights and heaters. Access to the office is secured with display readers that in some areas also require us a PIN code as well to enter. The reception manages all access rights easily through Integra's web-based interface, Artifex. Staff in the pro shop can quickly and easily manage tags, add new ones, change dates, times, and access zones, all through a modern and user-friendly system. Simple administration of people and access rights through a user-friendly interface. Provide temporary access, manage bookings for resources like meeting rooms, saunas, or gyms, all within the same system. Integra is also perfectly suited for smaller installations. At the golf club, we demonstrated how flexible and scalable the system is. Whether it's a large hospital, a museum, a university, or a golf club, the system grows door by door, according to your needs. Control external alarms, or gather everything in one system for full overview, with an interface that is as simple as it is powerful. With Artifex, you can view drawings of your buildings and integrate fire alarms, CCTV, KNX systems, or other control systems like ventilation and heating. Everything gathered for full control and real-time notifications.